So here's another interesting place we're going to attempt to back into now. Now, I haven't made a level yet, but I'm going to presume that we're going to be backing up from the street because it doesn't look like there's going to be too much room to do any maneuvering. Now, let's take a look at the street view for a second. So here's your dock. I don't think it's going to be too difficult once we get back in here. So we got to take a look at everything. Now, this is nice and curved. Brilliant. I imagine a few trucks have hit this rock. And we might, oh yeah, a lot of people have used this driveway here as well. And we may use that as well. Or at least we have it as an option. So we're definitely going to be backing up from the street. Now we're going to be approaching from this direction, basically. So it is going to be a sight side. We're definitely not going to be blindsiding this. And we're not going to be hitting any grass or rocks or anything. Cool, cool, cool. All right, let's see how I do. Now I'm going to do this level twice for you. The first time I'm going to do it is I'm going to do it very quickly, the way I probably would do it if I was by myself in the truck itself. All right, but again, the first rule we have to understand is that we have to get our axles to the other side of the road. All right, so I'm just going to do it quick. All right, no oncoming traffic. I'm going to get my trailer pointing towards the entrance. All right. Okay, that'll do. Now I'm going to back up pretty quickly here. All right, because it just takes a little bit of balance. There we go. And we are in. All right, this is the first step. All right. Now I'm going to go over that one more time, but slowly. All right. I find that when I go too slow, I do too many movements and I kind of screw myself up a little bit. But I'm just going to do a little bit slower this time. Maybe not the first part when I'm on the road, but again, we have to get our truck on the other side of the road. On between, it doesn't seem to be too busy of a road. Now we definitely want our axles past the entrance, the complete entrance. Okay. Rough. Yeah, that's definitely like way past it, depending how close you are. Like if I was a little bit closer, then we could probably be closer to the entrance. All right, definitely want to be finishing off at a bit of an angle, unless we're pointing too close to it. All right, so I'm going to get those steers somewhat straight right now. All right, so right now I want to be closer, so I'm jackknifing more. Maybe more. Yeah, we're gonna just try only use the road. All right, now I can see that I'm not going to get too close to everything over here. All right, now we can probably start chasing it. Remember, my sole purpose was just getting into the driveway, and then after that we can figure out what to do next. Okay, now the driveway. So we haven't got a lot of room in here. All right, it's going to be kind of like a parallel park, but not. Let's see. So I want my trailer to be pointing roughly towards this little wall here. Now, these are the actual ramps, which we will get to in a minute. But all right, let's just start backing up, and then we can adjust it from there, because you can never predict exactly what is going to happen. Right, the further you are away, the less jackknifing you need to do. Plus, we don't have that much room to do too much jackknifing. All right, as long as I'm keeping it at an angle here, the trailer is going to keep on pivoting more towards the building there. All right, now I'm going to get a straight back going. Here, let me zoom in. It's too far away. All right. Now, I like the position I'm in, but I think it needs to be more of a curve going in. Like right now, I'm just doing a dead straight back. So I'm just going to start turning a little bit to the left. It's going to put me into a jackknife. All right. As you can see, I'm getting kind of further away from this little area right here. All right, looking good. I'm liking that. Now, again, we have to pay attention to our axles. If our axles aren't past this, now we don't have any lines on the ground, but if we were just paying attention to the back of the trailer, we'd be too close over here. So we just got to make sure the back of the trailer is center once we get back to the dock. All right, so I'm going to start chasing just a little bit. Like this is a full chase. This will straighten me up in the shortest distance. This will do it in kind of a longer time. All right. Then I can get back to a jackknife. And keep her going. Now I'm going to chase in the shortest distance. All right, looking good. Now let me explain what this, because basically you're going to, in the actual realistic scene, there's going to be ramps that you got to back onto. So you got to be pretty exact with that. Basically, the ramps are there to bring the trailer up higher. And more than likely, at this point, our axis will be all the way back because when you're backing down a hill, because this is down, basically there's like they dug a hole just to get the dock flush with the bottom of the floor of the trailer. All right, now as you can, if I keep going, I'll probably end up pointing towards here. All right, where I'm pointing with my mouse. All right, and maybe not so much. Okay, this is actually looking pretty good. All right, but by the time you get to here, all right, make sure that your center, that your trailer tires are going to be able to get onto the ramp. The reason why I put these here just to show how center you need to be, and yeah. All right, now I'm going to show you how I got into this space really quickly, and I don't recommend doing it this fast. But if you are playing the game, sure, why not? This is basically how I would do it in the real world, because I just want to get off the road as soon as possible. Um, obviously, I'm driving on the opposite side of the road. Here, I can go even faster. So yeah, I can even turn here. There we go. I'm even going to go full blast on this one. Here we go. Missing the grass. And we're in. Now, again, I definitely will be going slow here on this part, but, you know, this is a game after all. We can go as fast as we want. Whoa. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. And I'm in. All right. There's a record for you. All right. Anyway, that's this back for you, and good luck.